All right. All right. The stream is up on YouTube. What about Twitch? What about Twitch? Well, no update from Twitch, which is concerning. God damn it. I have to reboot it again. Ah, shit. Damn. Come on, dude. What the hell's wrong? Jesus Christ. Ah, man. Settings, stream, reset, copy. SSH. Alright, let's connect to our VM instance, right? Authorize. Jesus Christ. Okay. Alright, confirm your OBS, last 10 lines of run. Correctly. Is your IP address changed? Firewall. Senior GC's GCP VM still running. What to check? Working test to push Twitch alone. This is helpful. Apply changes. Your VM. Okay, I think. Alright. Inside our VM. Now all we gotta do is wait, show understand. Okay, so this is what it looks like. All right. Okay. Shit. Copy. God damn it. Alright, how the fuck do I exit? No. Alright. That was just easier. Fuck, I hate it when it does it. Alright, now let's just replace it. Okay. Write out MA append. Exit. Okay, now all I gotta do is just reboot it, right? Reload Nginx. Okay. Alright. Alright. Will it actually apply to my Twitch now? Stream manager. I think I do have. Alright, goddammit, it should work now. Come on, you piece of garbage. You're not going. Okay, alright, it works. Jesus Christ. You'd have to, you have to receive a freaking bachelor's before you fix something like that. Alright, you would need a whole darn bachelor's degree to fix that shit. Alright, okay. We're back in the groove, baby. Now, what I wanted to do... Damn, that's not what I wanted to do. Not that bare-ass desktop window. What I wanted to do was to fix some of my stuff. Okay, yeah, I think we should log out of SSH now. Localhost. Long time no see save. Get the fuck out of here with this Chinese guy. I'm not Chinese. I never will be Chinese. It's like calling you, I don't know, an African or I don't know, an Arab. I mean, you said it yourself. You're not an Arab, right? Bye now. Oh, bye. Damn, I wish we could chat with you, but apparently you're too cool for me. Damn, Saif, how are you doing? Damn, you should stay here. You should chat with me. Play dominoes. We could play dominoes. Can you imagine we could play dominoes with you? Alright, what I want to do is that there was yeah. Since explore function, the way it's rendered is changed now, I will have to change it with the base feed, right? The way it's initialized, the way it's established. Is this where it is? Create? No, it's not. Create controls? Banner? I need to put on some music. This is madding. Not having music over it is just absolutely insane. It drives me nuts. Alright, so it was open all along, it was just at in the very rightmost corner. Check and get special event, init page. Where the fuck was it? Oh, yeah, right. Field. Content, explore section, okay, here it is, initiate, inner wrapper, initiate. I think we'll be needing truncate. I don't think we'll be needing create three connections either. Center, yeah, right. Now we will need to change our database very little. Just change the event state. I have a bad bag, baby. That's what I heard. That's what I heard say. What? Damn, that's a very old event. Okay. 08. Oh, bad habit. Okay. I thought you were saying bad back or something. It's like, what does back have to do with this? Alright. Okay, so it doesn't have controls for some reason, right? It really doesn't. Okay, no, none of those errors relate to, initialization of the Explorer field. So the question is, where the fuck, what the hell's wrong with it? Explore functions, create zoom controller. Yeah, it should be able to create zoom controller unless something's happening to it. Damn. Wait, I think that's this one here is because we didn't actually yeah, because we removed the limits previously to test it. Still, it should have a zoom controller. No, it doesn't really have that for some reason. Wrapper. Yeah, it doesn't have a zoom controller for some reason. Huh, that's weird. Initiate after render. Yeah, it does. We do use initiate after render, but for some reason it doesn't work. Create zoom controllers. Create zoom controllers, huh? Yeah, that's kind of weird. It should have the scale controller right here, but for some reason it doesn't. Which is super weird. Super weird. Yo, 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 Gandalf, how are you doing? What are you doing? You're cute kawaii. No, I don't look like a cute kawaii anime girl. Jesus Christ. Cute kawaii anime girl. What is it that makes me look like a cute kawaii anime girl to you? I'm a grown-ass Kazakh man, 6 feet tall, who eats horse meat and such. Cute kawaii, I'm pretty sure cute kawaii anime girls don't eat horse meat. Right? It's not something they do. Where the fuck is my Zoom controller? Jesus, despite I haven't posted an advertisement for my spiritual group, I still managed to get new converts. Really? Who did you get on the... Hey, who did you get this week? Tom Cruise? God damn it, where the fuck is the Zoom controller? By the way, just come to me, of course. They were sent to you by God, right? God just keeps guiding them towards you. Because God wants nothing more than having them convert to your religion. Wanna play Roblox later, by the way? By the way, 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 by the way. Get content dimensions, register base dimensions, register zoom limit. God damn it, where the fuck? What the fuck is wrong with this? No, that's by design. God loves me. Do you realize how paradoxical it sounds? The new Roblox game. I mean, you just some time ago claimed that you were the god. How can you send converts to yourself? This is the classic existential, theist problem in philosophy. You and God cannot be the same because you do not perceive the same reality as God does. You cannot be at 2 points at the same time controlling the universe from 2 different points. As 2 different actors. We are all God. We are all God. What do you mean by that? Like, we are all... if we come together, we're all God or something? I don't understand this. Create node, explore section. Jesus Christ. Node family, subscribe, append, explore. What the fuck? What the hell was that? Google Cloud? Yeah, fuck you. Create, explore, mini. What? Create, explore, mini. Append. What the fuck is this function? I don't remember using it. What the fuck? I don't remember using this function ever. This is kind of weird. You're my most gullible, skeptical, dogmatic plaything. Oh, so I'm a plaything now? Good, good. It's very refreshing to know I'm someone else's plaything. Pets your head. Oh, Jesus Christ, don't do this. I've had enough roleplay attempts from Madison when she was around here. Don't descend into this as well. This shit is ridiculous. Special event. Create. One branch ID. What the fuck is wrong with this function? Explore function. I mean, it does get its stuff. It does get its stuff initiated. So what the hell is wrong with it? Maybe there is something I'm not seeing. What the fuck? This is so stupid. This is so stupid. I want it to end. I want a daisy. Maybe it's all about the wrapper. No, it's the same way here. Yeah, main content, query selector, wrapper. It's absolutely the same. What the fuck is wrong then? What the hell is wrong with this function? By the way, did you watch the new King of the Hill season? I watched one episode. It was pretty cool. Bobby, put that thing down. This is the jar I keep stuff in. Okay, Dad. Hey, Hank. I think your son is a little bit troubled. Good old boom. Damn. One of these days, when I go to Comic-Con, I will cosplay as Hank Hill from King of the Hill. That's going to be the best cosplay out there. Initiate after render. What the hell is wrong then? Okay, hold on, let's check it. Log. Initiating. Explore. Now explore field. Let's fucking test it now. Let's freaking test this pile of crap. Let's test this pile of crap. Okay, initiating explore. Oh, alright, so now it has it. Now it has the zoom. Okay, it's so weird. This is so weird. Alright, now it has the zoom. Now it has the zoom. Yeah, and the scale is broken as fuck. Fucking hate it. I fucking hate the scale. God damn it! I hate programming the scale. Jesus Christ. Okay. Gandalf, you still here? Or have I descended into my madness at last? Have I descended into my madness? Have I become insane? Am I just hallucinating your presence in my Twitch chat? Gandalf? Damn, there was actually something I wanted to tell you about. Some crazy motherfucker in the likes of, people you share stories about with me. Who the fuck was it? God damn it. Jesus. I wish I could remember. It was so entertaining. I so wanted to share about, to share this person with you. Oh, yeah. Have you ever heard of the Muslim Japanese guy who fought Muhammad Ali? Gandalf? Gandalf, are you here? Listen, baby. Gandalf, are you here? Explore functions. No, it's in the controls. Alright. Hold left. I cosplay myself in Comic-Con. Damn, that's weird. Yo, Gandalf, I want to share with you, because you always just tell me about whatever extraordinary people you come across on the internet or Wikipedia. I also wanted to share with you one really weird historical figure I know. You ever heard of this Japanese grappling wrestler who fought Muhammad Ali, who also converted to Shia Islam? Dude, the guy had some of the most insane biography. So insane in the sense that it was like so unlikely to have even occurred. This is insane. Gandalf, you here? God damn it, Gandalf! I always fall short on telling you freaking about this legendary Japanese wrestler, and you're never here to hear about it. Nice. Yeah, hold on. What the fuck was the name? The Japanese. He also trained Machida, the guy from UFC, for grappling. The Japanese. Have you heard of the Islamic Pickle King? No, I never heard of him. The Japanese wrestler who fought Muhammad Ali. Antonio Inoki, yes. Antonio Inoki. This is the dude I'm talking about. This is the guy. Look at his chin. Look at the guy's chin. If that's not one of the most, protruded chins out there, I don't know what is. This is insane. I mean, look at this. The guy had a chin like in the meme. He was like some sort of a meme character. Yeah. This guy, Antonio Inoki, he was originally Japanese Christian from Brazil. Then he migrated to Japan. That's why he has Antonio, I believe, because he was Catholic. He was the sixth son and the second youngest son of the seven boys and girls. His father, Seijiro Inoki, a businessman, when he was 5 years old. Inoki was taught karate. By the time he was 7th grade, he joined basketball. The family fell in hard times, and old Inoki immigrated to Brazil with his grandfather, mother, and brothers. His grandfather died during the journey to Brazil. Inoki was regional. A former American homeless vigilante told me about him. Jesus. So, the weird thing about Inoki is that at some point he converted to Islam. That is why, where the fuck was it? There was, his name had Muhammad, I believe. What? Where the fuck? Next Marshall. I remember, I distinctly remember he had Muhammad in his name. Where the fuck did Muhammad go? Damn, he died relatively recently, like in 2022. Oh yeah. In 1989, while still an active wrestler, Inoki entered politics as he was elected to be Japanese House of Councilors. During his first time with the House of Councilors, Inoki successfully negotiated with Saddam Hussein for the release of Japanese hostages in Iraq before the outbreak of the Gulf War. While in Iraq, Inoki converted to Shia Islam and was bestowed the Islamic moniker Muhammad Hussein Inoki. His first tenure in the House of Councilors ended in 1995, but he was re-elected in 2013. Can you believe this? The guy who, who fought Muhammad Ali with grappling, who was originally named Antonio Inoki, at some point converted to Islam. And not any predominant branch of Islam like Sunni Islam. He converted to Shia Islam, specifically Shia Islam. Isn't that weird? Jesus. You know, what is even more ridiculous is that he was not just a professional wrestler, he was also an entertainer wrestler. Like, the sort of that wear masks, that fake injuries. Is this Hulk Hogan? Damn it. Homeless vigilante. What the fuck is Islamic Pickle King? Hold on. Islamic. I will not stumble upon porn, right? Pickle King. Islamic Pickle King? What the fuck is Islamic Pickle King? What? Is this the Islamic Pickle King you're talking about? The British Pickle King of Islamistan. What? Is this what you're... I used to be Shia too. Wait, are people in Kuwait Shia? I thought people in Kuwait were predominantly Sunni. Hold on. Religion in Kuwait. Islam. Well, damn. Can you show me what? Can you show me what some Sunni, some Shia? Yeah, but I'd like to know the exact proportion. Oh, so 61% Sunnis, 39% Shias, right? Yeah. Oh, so it's like in Iraq, right? Because in Iraq people are somewhat split in Sunnis and Shia the same way as here, right? Hinduism and other. What the fuck would Hindus be doing in Kuwait? There were several Kuwaiti Jewish families before the 1950s. However, all local Jews left Kuwait by the 1980s. There are estimated 300,000 non-citizen Hindus in Kuwait, most likely immigrants, right? Approximately 100,000 non-citizen Buddhists reside in Kuwait, possibly also immigrants. Cheap labor immigrants. Yeah, Indian workers. There are an estimated 10,000 non-citizen Sikhs in Kuwait. Sikhs. Yeah, also the same thing. What? Baha'i? The official 2013 census only shows 3 religion categories: Muslim, Christian, and other. With only 18 people in other category, there is a small number of Kuwait citizens who follow the Baha'i faith. Another sources stating that there were approximately... What the fuck is Baha'i? Am I even spelling it right? Baha'i? Damn, hold on. What even is the... What even is the population of Kuwait? I don't imagine it to be big. What the hell is the religion? Not religion. What the hell is the population in Kuwait? Population. 5 million people? One guy, who converted to Judaism. Really? Why would he do that? And is he considered Jewish now? Technically, Jesus. How can you have 5 million people in such a small country? Yo, what the fuck? This is insane. You have a GDP per capita of $50,000. This is insane. Yo, I mean purchasability, but still, your nominal GDP per capita is $32,000. Wow. This is like 2 times more than what Kazakhstan has. And Kazakhstan's GDP per capita is what? Hold on. Kuwait GDP per capita. Saudi Arabia in the 1920s. Well, yeah, otherwise it would be an incorporated part of Saudi Arabia, right? Oh, Qatar has the biggest score so far. Hold on. Qatar. Now, what was the Kazakhstan's GDP per capita again? $14,000. Yeah. So, your GDP per capita is literally more than twice as large as that of Kazakhstan's. Damn, wait, what is the Qatar? I wonder what Qatar's population is. Where the fuck is it? Trading with Qatar. Okay, population, ethnic groups, Arab, South Asian. South Asian? You mean like, what? Why the fuck are there so many Indians in Qatar? Population 3 million. Oh, Jesus Christ. How the fuck are Qatar people so goddamn rich if they have like 3 million people in such a tightly packed space? This is insane. Wait, hold on. What is the well, I imagine it to be somewhat high, but still. UAE GDP per capita. Alright, so it's lower than Qatar's, right? But what is the population? Population 10 million people? Dude. Dude, that's insane. I feel insecure now compared to United Arab Emirates. Well, I mean, ethnic groups? Are those the official ethnic groups or? No, yeah, I mean, if. What? No, hold on, wait. United Arab Emirates, demographics, largest cities, language, religion, education. Damn. So there are 3 million people living in Dubai. Um, Education. Damn. No, hold on. Demographics of the United. Can I see ethnic groups? Okay, here it is. The UAE National Bureau of Statistics does not publish demographic data in relation to a nationality. The figures listed in the are estimates provided by each country's embassy. Are those official nationals of UAE, like, citizens of UAE, or what? Or are those just, non-citizen residents? Because I don't really imagine UAE having that many Indians who live there as citizens, right? Those are most likely just Indian workers. Yeah, there's no way this is it. UAE is made of Emirati nationals, other Arab and Iranian nationalities, South Asian languages, Gulf Arabic, Modern Standard Arabic. Arabic is the official language, yada yada. Yeah, not its citizens, but it's still kind of ridiculous that they. I don't understand this. What is the official population of freaking. What is the official population count of UAE? 10 million. There's no way there are 10 million people of them, right? There's just no way. Otherwise they would be in the with what GDP per capita they have, they would be in the top 10 of top 10 GDP countries. UAE GDP there's no way this is true. There's no way. Damn. Jesus Christ. I feel myself so insecure now. The goddamn oil, man. The goddamn oil. Well, I'm saying this, but then again, Kazakhstan also makes most of its profit from oil. Damn it. God damn it. Well, at least we're going ahead of Russia, I believe. GDP per capita. God damn it. Russians are far ahead of us again. Wait, it was 14,000 in 2023, 12,000. What? I thought we actually surpassed them in terms of GDP per capita. This is stupid. Well, at least Google says we're higher than China, but it's still weird. It's so weird. Damn. That's just... I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Much to say. So who the fuck is the Pickle King? Khalid Sheldrake? Who the hell is Khalid Sheldrake? Is this some sort of a British guy who decided to LARP as an Arab? Khalid Sheldrake. Originally, Bertram Bertie William Sheldrake was an English pickle manufacturer and philanthropist who later converted to Islam. He was briefly declared king of short-lived state of Islamistan in the Xinjiang region of Chen during the warlord era. However, he never took power for the state's defeat. Why the fuck was he proclaimed to be the ruler of Uyghurs? Was a pickle who was elected king of Islamistan. This is insane. He was elected a leader of Uyghurs for some reason. Why? Why would, of all people, he would be the one to, be elected the leader of Uyghurs? Ghazia, they had 2 sons. They made their family home in suburb London. Held Britons to Islam. To get British support. Jesus. Yeah, as if British would care. Xinjiang was already being supported by the Soviet Union at that time. Sheldrake sought to convert fellow Britons to Islam. In 1932, he conducted the conversion of Gladys Milton Palmer, the wife of Beltram Wells Darrell Brooke. What? Raj of Sarawak? What the fuck is a Raj of Sarawak? What? Was the last heir apparent to the Raj of Sarawak? What the fuck is a Raj of Sarawak? Borneo? Borneo? Why would a white guy be an heir to a kingdom in Borneo? Top British colonialism moment. Abroad and chartered Imperial Airways. In the show, Gladys was the daughter of Huntley Palmer's biscuit magnate and Walter Palmer. Brooke was the son of Charles Viner Brooke. Last Raja of Sarawak. Named her Khair ul Nisa, fairest of women. King of Islamistan. Among the Muslim population of Xinjiang and the local governor who had pledged allegiance to the Republic of control of the region. Several First East Turkestan Republic and the Khotan Emirate. What? I know about the region, but I never really heard about the Khotan Emirate. There are Afghanistan and Sheldrake welcomed ETR delegation. Sheldrake continued to give lectures in Turkestan after his return to Britain, but found little interest. He continued to raise funds for new mosques and Muslim charities. He traveled North Africa and Central Europe and served his family business by buying. Have you ever heard of the Iranian Futurists or the Persian Prometheans? Dissident group in Iran who seek to replace the Islamic Theocratic Republic with a transhumanist technocracy. Well, I mean, I've never heard of them, but I imagine they exist. I think every country has, this um, limping wing of marginalized technocrats or people representing some very niche ideology. I don't even think those people kind of subconsciously take themselves serious. I mean, no, can you really imagine rooting for something like transhumanism or rooting, I don't know, for accelerationism? Those are very, very impractical ideologies. And they don't really represent the human values, I think. That's the biggest problem with them. Led this into violence and Soviet-backed forces led by the world warlord Chiang Shikai. Oh yeah, I remember this guy from Hearts of Iron. Restoring Chinese control without reaching Xinjiang. The couple fled to British India. Some of the leaders of what had been the ETR, the Sheldrake stayed in Hyderabad, city of England, and then returned. Wait, was Shang Shikai Uyghur or was it Chinese whom lured? Oh, okay, so he was Chinese. Then with the coup d'etat when he appointed the Duban military. Damn, you have no idea about it. Acceleration is handled by a lot of powerful and influential people. I don't know, no, I don't think that many powerful people hold accelerationist views. People like to think all those millionaires and businessmen, powerful people, would love to live in an accelerated world where they gain more power after the collapse of the society. But most millionaires don't really care for that world. Most millionaires profit from status quo, which is, the existence of law and the already existing legal institutions. So they don't really need the collapse of the society. It's just a dramatization on some political observers' ends. God damn it, did I need that sip of water. Transhumanism, no, I think transhumanism is also a quirk of some really, really deranged people like Elon Musk. Ethnic Han Chinese was born in Kayun, Manchuria. Yeah, an ethnic Han Chinese who was born in Manchuria but was left to rule Xinjiang. That's quite a background. It's held by every powerful or influential, but it's held by at least a group of them. Well, I don't think Elon Musk is an accelerationist. I do think Elon Musk might be a transhumanist, but I do not think he's an accelerationist. He never really, he was never really seen sharing any sentiment that would exhibit accelerationism. He was never like, yeah, we must collapse the society so that corporations can take over or something. No, he never said that. I don't think it's the case. Jesus. Khalid Sheldrake. Well, I imagine this is his wife. She isn't dressed as a proper Muslim woman. Told you about that. Have you heard of esoteric Maoism? I think you have told me about it, but I don't really remember that much. But I do remember us checking it out. I do remember checking it out with you, right? I do remember that. I do remember that. Wait, I think I know how to fix that stupid function over there. Explore, field, mini, offset, left, mini field. No, wait, that's not controls. Offset left, alt scale, old left. Oh, left! Basically, esoteric Maoism combines Maoism with Nietzscheanism, Sufism. Oh, yeah, right. Yeah, I remember now, yeah. A very deranged ideology, very deranged. Like, how the fuck do you even come up with something like that? This is just stupid. Isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? Okay, plus offset height. Okay, let's check this function. I want to see, have you ever heard of anarcho-anti-realism? That sounds like something from Hearts of Iron Red Flood. Or no, what the fuck was the name of that thing? Ah shit, this works like stupid. Like the laws of sight and the laws of physics are oppressive. Yeah, I think... Hold on, what the hell was the... this Hoi 4 mod with accelerationist? Hoi 4 mod with accelerationists. I forgot what the name of the mod was. Red Flood. Yeah, so I think it really was Red Flood. You ever heard of Hoi 4 Red Flood? I think there was, yeah, here it is. Red Flood. I think they had friends start with a party, with a political party that are anarcho anti-realists. Their final focus tree involves them completely rejecting completely rejecting the planes of existence. And the guy whom they used for yeah, yeah, this guy in the in an alternate world, yeah, played, yeah, so you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. Red Flood returns. Jesus Christ. Imagine traveling back in time, showing this picture to someone like some sort of a famous person and trying to explain it to them. Try to explain to them what the fuck this even means. What the hell even is this? Like progress report? What? 34th dynasty? Finland becomes the ancient Egypt? Meta-anarchism or nomadology? No. Nomadology sounds like something I'd be related to because my ancestors were nomads. What the fuck is a... What? 34th dynasty? What the fuck? Great Pyramids of Helsinki? Rebirth of mummification traditions. Jesus Christ. This is insane. Great Egyptian Empire of Thousand Pharaohs. Dude, I gotta watch this sometime. I gotta watch this video. I wanna watch a video about Red Flood Finland becoming fucking...
Acid trip? Crack cocaine? Want to feel like you're on drugs? Weird political ideologies? You want it? It's yours, my friend. As long as you download Red Flood. And hello everyone, it is I, Comrade Ivan.
Creating the 34th Egyptian dynasty. Pharaohate of Calevia. Jesus. This is insane. How do people come up with a political shitpost like that?
Another day, another new focus tree in Red Flood. This time, Finland.
A little schizo, I mean Red Flood. Jesus Christ. Jeez, can you imagine those people? Damn. Sometimes I really get surprised by what sort of schizoism people can think up. Look up meta-anarchism or nomadology. You know, the weirdest thing is that those things might even be legit Wikipedia articles. With Deleuzian characteristics. Deleuzian. You know what I love about this Deleuzian thing? is that even though it's delusion, it might mean some sort of a characteristic. It kind of sounds like delusion. Delusional characteristics. Jesus. Delusional characteristics. That would be a mimic ironic mode of wacky ideologies. Though I have recently left anarchist movement and protest and become relatively apolitical, as I wonder if the slogan "the personal is political" shouldn't ring all too true. I haven't decided. No, I think it's a little expanded. It's unclear certain. It's non-violent. A case for the eventual creation of a loser. Effectuated by syncretic democracy through a diverse set of what? What the fuck is a meta-anarchism? Ultra off-campus anarchism believes that reality is too complex for it to be organized in lines with a certain predefined ideology or framework, and any attempt to do so is structural fascism. Quotes Deleuze a lot, or against mental hospitals, saying that the mental should be free and the mental patient is the true Ubermensch and that people should not oppress their desires. Jesus. Sounds like, yeah, really does sound like anarchism. Supports all utopias, advocates for unhindered flow of impersonal desire, resulting in spontaneous anarchic assemblages, thinks every part of reality should be able to determine its inner dynamic and voluntary relations with other parts of reality, thinks conceptually imposing fuck. How the I cannot scroll down. What kind of anarchism isn't here to a multitude, my dear? Oh, imagine. Jesus, can you imagine the Reddit people? What? New wiki ideologies. The Reddit people drew an OC character for meta-anarchism. Can you imagine this? Nomadology. Nomadusi. What do you call a nomad's pussy? Nomadusi. Nomadusi. I'm taking as one needs from nomadology. Philosophical that focuses. Hold on. And nomadology also Deleuzeugutarianism and delusionism. Good. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this delusion guy is just a made up name to just as an excuse to include it as the word delusion, right? Petition to abolish the age of consent. Yeah, it checks out. Sounds like true anarchists. It's a philosophical and political ideology that focuses on analysis of different social structures based upon ideas such as machines, territories, war machines. These structures from a post-structuralist and a postmodernist perspective, rejecting any fundamental principle for its ideas, instead relying on what Deleuze and Guattari call pragmatics, broadly used upon post-left ideas arising from May 68. What the fuck is a May 68? Cultural left, they emphasize the popular frustration of the working class, poverty, and unemployment for political gain. Its proponents either advocate some form of socialism, typically democrat, or modern radicalism. It so rise with the events of financial. Okay, yeah. So this thing is actually historical. That thing, no. Deleuze. Is that an actual real person? I'd shit myself if it was a real person. Oh god, this is a real person. Jesus. May 1968 revolts. May 1968 revolts. Widespread protests, strikes, and civil unrest in France and began I wonder how many people were injured or killed. Casualties, 2 deaths, 887 injuries, arrested. Real people. What a Guattari sounds like a real name. Deleuze just sounds like an excuse to say delusional. To have the word delusional in your ideologies. In your ideology senses or something. What the fuck is wrong with this shit, with this bullshit? Huh? Huh? Oh. What the hell is wrong with this? What the hell is wrong with this? Explore functions. Explore functions. Offset left. Offset left. Offsets. Offset left. I fucking hate programming. Yeah. Well, you would know about this, right, Gandalf? You would know about delusions. Explore old left position. Wait, no, not controls, or is it? No, yeah, it is controls. Old left. Offset top. Old fucking left. No, it shouldn't be. Make my delusions into reality? How? How do you make them into reality? I'm just wondering how. How is that possible? How would you even do that? Do that. Okay, hold on. Old left. Offset left. Offset left. Old left. Offset left. Reality is a lie. Why do you think? How could you possibly say reality is a lie? Truth is whatever reality is. All you gotta do is believe. Believe what? If reality is a lie, what can you even believe to begin with? Offset left. Officer, she was 19. Offset width. Offset height. Old scale. Old scale. Her. Old scale. Her. Old scale. New scale. Well, if we multiply old scale by zoom change, that kind of means that. Wait, what? Yeah, it kind of does mean that zoom change cannot really. It does mean that the zoom change cannot really. Huh. Max zoom value. It kind of does mean that the zoom. Explored field, mini field width. Jesus Christ. All you gotta do is believe. This shit is illusion, alright? This shit is illusion. This shit doesn't even exist. Okay, so when we have. When we zoom in, that means the distance must actually increase, right? When we zoom out, the distance kind of has to decrease. No, it has to be the other way around. So what if we actually add divide here? I think that's what it's supposed to be, divide. Okay. God damn it. How the fuck am I supposed to make it so that it just kind of centers on it? It just has to center on it. Jesus Christ. What the hell's wrong with it, Bobby? Bobby, put that jar down. That's the jar I keep stuff in. Alright, Dad. Alright, Dad. Okay, offset left, offset. How the fuck do I calculate mouse offset to parent? Calculate next offset. If parent. Huh. Sum of parents. Sum of parent offsets. I fucking hate programming. Literally the most pathetic thing you could be doing with your life. Okay, let's ask ChatGPT. Let's ask my old friend ChatGPT. Right? Relative essential special meaning Discord. Yeah, hold on. Relative mouse position, branch range, vertical range input styling. Fix zooming tree traversal. All right. Controls, explore function. This is a working code that that centers the screen around the mouse, around the point where the mouse is during the zoom. Controls. Okay, yeah. I'm too weak. I'm too weak. God damn it. This does so by controlling the sidebar's zoom controller. It's supposed to center on. It's supposed to. It's supposed to zoom in around the center of the screen, but it fails. Why? Alright, let's see your stupid meme while my ChatGPT produced me a response. Okay. Yakubian vibes. Yakubian vibes, huh? Explicitly calculate the zoom reference point, mouse position relative to the container. Inner slider, zoom, offset, width, alt left, alt scale. Center the zoom around the screen center, but this calculation because alt left and top are already in scaled space. Dividing or offsetting incorrectly leads to drift. You're using explore field offset width for the reference, but this is the content width. God damn it. Not the wrapper viewport width. Scale instead of a factor base change, which works differently than your wheel version uses. Zooming around the center, you need to convert. Explore what? Wrapper center. Wrapper center, constant wrapper center. X. Explore left. Scale. Center. Can you use my variables to fix it and not change structure of the code? Okay, alt left, alt top, offset, scale. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this. I really want to try this. Wait, those are the controls, right? God damn it. God damn it. Wait, why does new left? Jesus. So it's supposed to be here. One of my friends made $100K. Which one? The crypto guy? The crypto man? No, it's the problem is it just centers it around. What? Why the fuck does it? Why? Set minus offset left new scale. God damn it. Jesus H. Christ. Now world building guy. Damn. World building guy? What the fuck does a world building? What do you mean world building? He kind of what? Just does world building? He comes up with fantasy worlds or something? What does that even mean? World building. I mean, I don't even think this is a real world. This is a real word, right? World building. Huh. Old left. Jesus. Old. So pretty much, yes. Why would anyone pay someone $100,000 for to build a world, to build a world of fiction? Fictional worlds. You cannot. No, I cannot imagine this to be. I cannot imagine this to be possible. World building is a skill that I imagine to be just a one-time use only. You come up with a world, you work to produce a product inspired by that, and then that's it. You don't really return to it. Offset left, offset left, offset left. Old left, old left, old left, old left. Hold on. What? Controls. Controls, but move explored field, movement functions, move explore field 2. But I thought the left pause and top pause are in dimensions with respect to the wrapper instead of the field, which gets scaled. What kind of fictional worlds did he come up with? Can you show me what worlds he came up with? Crux of your what was math was off earlier right now. Code you're treating as the contents offset relative to the wrapper in unscaled coordinates, but in reality you're storing them as screen space scaled offsets. So what matters where in unscaled content coordinates you'd expect. Unscaled space, current behavior, then zoom math must convert. Unscaled. Use my fixed store, left pose, top pose, and unscaled. space. That way your zoom math is simpler because numbers don't change meaning when you zoom. It's part of the Children of Dusk world building. What the fuck is a Children of Dusk? Children of Dusk, an alternate future scenario. And you mean to tell me that he's paid $100,000 for this stuff? There's no way you can be paid for making a Hoi 4 mod. He's not even a programmer. Explore functions. But this code works. But this code works. So that means I should be able to just flag this formula from here and slightly tweak it to fit the controls case, which should be what the fuck, what does it should be? New scale is the old scale multiplied by the zoom change. You can absolutely use the working wheel zoom math for the slide, but there is a small offset to represent the wheel zoom. You calculate mouse inside the content scaled space. And the slider zoom, if you want to zoom around center of the viewport instead of the mouse, you need the same kind of value but for the central point. Formula without breaking your existing structure. Offset left. What? What? So the wrapper like mouse position and the wheel zoom. What? Okay, I'll do as you say. And then you too shall find your own riches. What is your message? Become a freaking pagan? No. Not a trifle thing compared to all the infinity. Listen, Gandalf. You know I'm too good for this stuff. I am a pious Muslim and I consider Abrahamic religions to be the supreme religions. And no other religion's inferior. So, you know, it's futile what you tell me. Dude, I don't need to create new reality. I love this one. I love this world, Gandalf. I want to get married in this world. This world is what makes it possible for me. Thinking wheels and formula. Offset left. No, it's not taking into account. No, the offsets are not taking into account the displacement from the coordinates, because the bigger the left pose is, the more the wrapper's center is displaced from the left of the explore field itself. Wow, it never actually did it. Clarifying offset position. What the fuck is it doing? I don't remember it ever doing it before. Refining zoom calculation. What the hell? The missing is the wrapper center is non-wrapper in the space. Wrapper rect. Offset left. Wrapper what? Bit bounding client. Field rect. Wrapper. New compute wrapper center also to the explore field. God damn it. Find scaled pixels. Field center. Well, this fixes your problem. Can you stick to all my variables and usages? Yeah, this is AI is honestly AI has accelerated my work so much, it's insane. Keep all no get bounding client rect. Just use offsets and no wrapper rect or field rect. Alt offset left explore with alt left. Huh. Well, that's weird. Why? Okay, let's see whether this works. I don't imagine it will, but it's so weird. Okay. This is stupid. This doesn't work. God damn it. Doesn't work. By the way, the screenshot of my explore field and its wrapper. And the explore field is absolutely position side and can be moved around with the center. You can just take wrapper offset. I also need offset by the current displacement of the explore field. Explore. Yeah, that's what I did, you moron. That's what I fucking did. I've already fucking done this. God damn it. Wrapped. Oh. Oh, cholera, что to Freddy Fazbear? Oh. Fuck, I did not mean to. Okay, well, it seems to. What the hell? You're not you when you're hungry? Yeah, of course. Of course. Oh. Why does it even do that? I don't understand this. How the fuck is this thing different from my code? I don't understand this. I do not understand this. Jesus Christ. Offset width. Explore field. Alt scale. Alt scale. Okay. It slightly shifts from the center just before it zooms in completely. From X, because in your code, new scale, not a number. So when you do, you're doing what? Okay, new scale is a number. Scale, explore field, new scale. Parse float. God damn it. What the fuck is a parse float? New scale. Okay. I love you, Freddy Fazbear. Nope. 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 Still doing it. Standing period, the extreme, that's just floating point precision. And how to fix it, directly store the unscaled content size. And always compute the scale size from that and scale values you control. What? Alright, it's still shifting right before full zoom in. Scaled values. So when you call knowing the AI, that's what my typical work with AI looks like. You know, it's just me complaining that its instructions are not ideal, they're imperfect, they somehow miss on a lot of important things. You know what? I think this is it for today, right? We should go play Roblox. I really want to finish those 99 nights in Roblox. I really feel like finishing those 99 nights. But first, let's actually, I just need to check. I just need to see say please and thank you to the AI. Okay. Although my work is not done yet. Thank you, ChatGPT. Okay, I need to check my island, alright? My workers are working their butts off to provide for my island. Build an island. That's what I'm here for. Okay, this is such a bullshit game. Literally. No, I did not want to upgrade my axe. Okay, so the thing is, in order to progress further, I need banana crates, and banana crates are so goddamn annoyingly slow to craft. I literally have 64,000 of ice shards out of 2,500 I need. But the banana crates, they take so fucking much to be crafted. This is the most insanely annoying freaking resource in the stupid island game. Like, it takes... Oh shit, it did not load up yet. It takes 75 planks to create a single freaking banana. Join Five Nights at Freddy's FNAF. I'm not playing Five Nights at Freddy's. I want to play 99 Days. I mean 99 Nights. Jesus Christ, alright, let's get the fuck out of here. Let's play 99 Nights. I really want to play 99 Nights. I want to play 99 Nights. Hold on, I'll be right back. I need to put something in the fridge. Alright. Alrighty, matey. Alrighty, matey. So, are you here? Are you joining in? Come on, man. Join in. We've got to play 99 Nights. We gotta play 99 Nights, man. We gotta finish the game. We gotta survive through all 99 nights. I've already made it past 62, so... You know... Can you not join? Alright, sure. How the fuck did he... What? What the fuck is that? Daily class shop? Yeah, hold on. Assassin Cyborg? Alien armor? Assassin? Damn. Okay, you've joined? Right, yeah, hold on, let's wait until someone creates a game. Okay, I'll create a game. Join it, join it, join it now. Come, everyone. We need people. Jesus, I don't want to start the game, you know, just with the two of us. God damn it, you can't be serious. I don't want to start the game with just the two of us. I want to start the game with a lot of people. Ah, Jesus, if only I had more people in this stupid... Okay, we have someone else here. Perfect. Alright, you know the drill. You know, save badges. Or I mean bandages. I wonder if there is some sort of a way to actually actually craft bandages. I mean, you'd think they would add some sort of a way to craft bandages, right? Okay, let's go hunt. it's just the two of us now. The girl left. Alright, so I'm gonna take the northern area. Oh, great, a bandage. You scout the southern area, alright? We'll split them. Like that. Please, fur. Oh, god damn it. Just stupid meat. Meat is not what I need. I mean, I really hope they have a way to craft bandages. Research. Where the fuck do you even get feathers from? What? This is stupid. Oh, god damn it. Yo, there is a bandage right beside me, so don't worry about it. Can you revive me? There is a bandage right beside me. See, there is a bandage. Great, thanks. Fucker. Wait, where the fuck is my... Ah, god damn it. Bunny foot. Right. Let's check out what we have in the vicinity, right? Oh, not bad. God damn it. Stupid wolves. Ah, damn it. You know what I want to try this time? I want to actually try making, I want to try making those pikes. Long wall. What if we make long walls to surround ourselves so that we'd never die to the enemy? I mean, it would be somewhat helpful, right? We should definitely try making long walls. How do you even survive in the winter biome? I think the way you survive in the winter biome... Oh, yeah, right. You just hunt down rabbits and then you exchange their feet for the stupid freaking... What? Oh, great. Fallen airplane. It has a chest around. Great. Spear. Just what I need. Good axe. Good sack. I need good sack more than I actually need a good, a good axe because I love scavenging a lot. Oh, by the way, I found the first kid. There's a kid not far from where I am. I mean, he's like to the east, I believe you would call it. There's a kid to the east of here. How do you even use seeds? Whenever I pick them up, I don't know how to use them then. When we get the freaking what? You know. See, damn, I wish I had a revolver right now. There is yeah, there is a kid. No, there's a kid. There's a like a cave with a kid to the east of our camp. God damn it! I knew it would be now. I knew the night would approach now. Well, I think I've scouted up almost everything there was out here. Hold on. I'd be right. I'd be. Oh, is that no? Just a sack of bullshit. It's a good thing this deer monster cannot really climb up the tree houses. Oh, a good flashlight. Yeah, don't mind if I do. Because otherwise, if it could climb, it would be insane to. Oh shit, I'm hungry. Hey, is there any food in our camp by any chance? We have food in the camp, right? Yeah, we do. Okay. Whole steak. Damn. Fuel. Alright, so we need to craft walls, right? Because without walls, how can... I mean, I think walls would give us a good protection against the enemy. We should really try a strategy that involves building walls. I really mean it. God damn it. And I really need to find a revolver, because without a revolver I can't imagine... Upgrade crafting, great job. Because without a revolver I can't really imagine... I can't really imagine going up against those wolves in that camp over there. Built a freezer, huh. Okay, I got so much wood. Alright, so much wood. I found so much wood. You have no idea. Alright, so what the fuck does it say about getting shit. Fucking snow wolves. Ow. Alright, Arctic fox, bunny foot, 2 bunny feet. Shit. Yo, we gotta hunt Arctic foxes to get winter clothes. Jesus, winter clothes is the stupidest biome out there. I swear, it's gotta be the stupidest biome in the game. There's so much shit you gotta do to counter the freaking winter cold. It's insane. It actually breaks the pacing of the game. And the problem is, winter biome does not repeat. Like, you encounter it once, and then you almost never remember about it. The game just never really is aware. The game never makes use of it. It just makes use of it 1 or 2 times at best. I think we're gonna be attacked this night. Okay. Carrot. Damn. Alright. Oh, we're not attacked. Great, that's a relief. Wait. I just wanna... Ah, shit. We are... Oh no, it's just a kid. Wait, I wanna craft... I wanna craft a wall. Alright, I wanna craft a wall. Okay, I crafted a wall. I crafted 2, in fact. I think this way we should be somewhat safe, right? We would really profit from having a... Great, you build a bed. God damn it. Why the fuck is it so freaking scary to be out here? Oh shit, here it is. Fuck you, you fucking deer hunter. You pedophile. Am I allowed to say pedophile on Twitch? I think I am, right? I don't think there is a specific fucking restriction on the word pedophile on Twitch. Okay. No, I think in this night tonight we're gonna get attacked. Oh, we're definitely gonna get jumped. Oh, we're so getting jumped. Shit. We're so gonna get jumped. Alright, so, okay, meat. Actual needed. Yeah, go find stuff. I'll build up the base in the meantime because I really wanna, it's really hard to fend off those people, to fend all those occultist people. So I just really wanna. By the way, since we have to fend off occultists, why don't you like go talk to them, Gandalf? I mean, you guys are both occultists, so who knows? Maybe they might be your friends or something. Okay, I'm creating a 3rd wall now. God damn it! It would be so much easier if I actually had a good axe. Maybe I should go scout for a good axe. Who knows? Oh, so many logs out there. This is actually good. Yo, if you ever find a good axe, please bring it to the camp. I really need a good axe. Jesus, I still can't forget the time, you know, just before I died in the previous game, remember? I got the best axe that just one-shotted all trees. This was the best, dude. I so wish I could find the best axe. You got a revolver? This is great. Yo, if you have a revolver, you can actually go and oh shit. Motherfuckers. Alright, let's craft another wall. Let's hope it helps us. I think it should. I think it should. I think it should. Chili, pepper. Fuck you, motherfucker. Great. That was relatively quick. God damn it, we need more trees, god damn it. We need more goddamn trees. Death to the trees. I'll go scout for more trees. Damn it. What the fuck are all trees? I chopped down so many trees that there are literally no more trees around. You know, it's kind of stupid how lore-wise it makes no sense that... Ah, shit. Yeah, fuck you. Ah! It makes such a stupid noise whenever it's... Yo, look at all those trees. Okay, time to chop them all down. God damn it. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have the walls up very soon, so, you know, we shouldn't be worried. I do kind of wish you could have some way of crafting even the most basic items like bandages. Because I don't really imagine how you can survive in this game without bandages. Constant supply of bandages, really. It's insane. Like, who does the game think we are? Freaking Rambos? Okay, alright, so... You found a rifle? That's good. Hey, listen, can you go to the eastern side over there, over there, over there? Can you go over there and rescue a kid with a rifle? Because since you have a rifle, you should be able to, you know... God damn it, dude! We need... I'm trying to create a freaking bench wall here, man. Come on, dude. Don't waste resources like that. Bench wall. I just want to test the strategy because it's clear as the day that even the two of us at some point will not be enough to fend off all the hordes of occultist people. So we might at least shield ourselves off from them. Old axe. God damn it. The night is approaching, and night is approaching my ass. The trees. The trees. The trees are the secret. They're the source of life. You know? I don't care how many fucking... I don't care for the animations. What the hell was that? Did you hear those whistles? Or am I twitching? Am I twitching? What the fuck were those whistles? Okay. Let's craft a wall now. This is the stupidest plan I could have in this game. This stupid walls take so much resources to craft. Well, I think by the, like, day 20 we should be up with walls. Besides, with every single sapling, the rate at which we build the wall accelerates because, you know, the more saplings we have, the more trees start growing around us instead of far away. Okay, yeah, that's... Oh, so many trees right here. That's a good spot. Okay, so many trees here. This is so good. This is so good. Can you imagine if by the end of the game we make it to the end of the game without having had to kill a single occultist because they would just all be stuck near the freaking, you know, near the walls? That'd be so stupid. I think, in theory, the wall should even protect us from the deer himself. Okay, saplings, 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 saplings. Saplings, I'm hungry. Damn. Saplings. Okay. Marcel, alright. Come here, you fucker. This is going to be the greatest wall we've ever built. This is going to be the greatest building project this game has ever seen. We're going to create a whole new meta. Whole new meta with this, with a single project. With a single project, we're gonna create a whole freaking meta. Okay. Fuck, I'm hungry. Damn, dude. Why the fuck would I be hungry? I mean, I get it, it's realism and such, but damn, this hunger is sometimes so distracting from the gameplay loop. Fuck. I accidentally burned one of the logs. So stupid. God damn it, the night is approaching. We better not get attacked in this night, or I'm gonna be really fucking angry with the game. Here's my sapling. Wait. Okay. Where the fuck did we have our saplings? I don't give a damn about those stupid kids. Jesus Christ, I lost my sapling because of you fuckers. Alright. Sapling. Jesus, this is going to be the stupidest way you could possibly play this game. No, really. Wait, you killed this fucking alpha wolf corpse? Jesus. Is there any way we could pelt him for his skin? Because that pelt trader accepts alpha wolf skins. You know? God damn it. I'm hungry. Do you have any meat? Because I'm hungry as fuck. Oh, okay, I found more cells. God damn it. So distracting. Jesus Christ. This is the stupidest thing a person could do in this game. Build a fucking wall. Alright. Long wall, long wall, long wall. Alright, let's put some new walls. Here. Oh. Here. We almost covered the half of the whole area, so this is good. Jesus. The amount of logs, dude. The amount of logs we get simply from destroying the trees beside us is insane. Okay, tree log here, tree log here, tree log here, sapling. Log wall. Blueprint purchased. Fuck, dude. Why do I get so hungry all the time? I gotta hunt down some of those stupid rabbits. Come here, you fucks. Fucking rabbits. I fucking hate having to eat in this game. This is the I'm pretty sure that's not how the freaking creators of this Roblox game intended this game to be played. Wait, where the fuck did all the... Oh yeah, right. Cheap viewers on cheapviewers.com. Please pull me by my nipples. I really enjoy it. The night is approaching. Tonight is the night. Tonight is the moment. And let's see if That is the night. Great job. Okay. Log, 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 log. Sapling. 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 What the hell was that? Smirch. Sapling. What the hell is the sapling doing here? Get the... I am hungry. You have any food? God damn it. You know, one downside to the whole freaking structure is that now it's harder to just jump out the base for food. Because now I have to go around and I don't even see straight away where, you know, the closest morsels are. Okay. You know, those saplings were a very good investment. We don't even have to travel that much outside of the base now. To get all those stupid logs. I wish the wall was bigger. God damn it. Alright, log wall. Huh. Very soon we're gonna finish building the wall. Look at this. Built a log wall. Huh. I don't even think we will be needing campfire to survive if we build those log walls, because if you think about this, the reason why we need campfire is that it styles off the deer, but with those walls the deer will not be able to enter, right? Unless of course we leave a hole. Well, we will have to leave a hole, because otherwise we'll not be able to enter the freaking... Yeah, we also probably need to create a lightning road. We'll need a lightning road, unfortunately. Ow! Shit! Damn! Why did it hurt like a bitch so much? Alright, I created a lightning road. Now this stupid fucking weather will not be killing us anymore. God damn it. Hunting sucks in this game. Okay, where the fuck were other logs? Alright, here they are. Okay, 33. So that means we can create almost 2 goddamn long walls, right? Which is great. Where the fuck was it? Okay, we will have to create a long wall here. Alright. That means we'll get to test our long walls today. God damn it, come here you fuckers. We are prepared for you, you fuckers, you morons, you occultist pricks. You think we're scared of you? We have a freaking long wall freaking Destiny or something. We have the long wall you've never seen. We're not some junkies, we're professional survivors, alright? Skip. Look at this. This looks so stupid. I don't think they'll even be able to enter this wall. See, there is only like one guy who can enter this. They can all enter from only one direction. It's paying off. Literally. They can't really shoot us. They can't even shoot us from here. This is stupidly OP. See? This is so stupid. I need to go and scout for more logs or trees or whatever. Jesus Christ, we absolutely cleaned the area of trees. Can you imagine there are almost no trees around? Almost no trees left. Oh, one of them jumped over. Interestingly. This is so stupid. See, even though it seemed like a stupid plan, it actually works, right? It actually works. It actually works. Strangely enough, it actually works. At some point, we'll just be able to just sit in our camp and do nothing. This is the meta. I unlocked the new meta in the stupid Roblox game. Great. I do wish I had a good axe, because this is so awkward having to constantly you know, having to constantly spend eternity waiting for the tree to break. This is really so stupid. Great sapling. And the trees, they do not yield that many logs. This is so stupid. It really is stupid. This is not how this game was meant to be played, I'm pretty sure. Eh. Alright, I've chopped down so many trees, you have no idea how many saplings I have. I found a new strategy. Whenever I scout for trees, I just chop them down and collect exclusively saplings. So that when I come home... ah shit, the night is approaching. Tonight is the night, tonight is the moment. This is the moment. This is the moment. Ah, fuck. I really need to find more fuel. Watch out. I'm pretty sure if we don't feed this thing... ah, fuck. Yo, If it can't... Yeah, that's so bad. Oh, fuck. Well, I've distracted it. Yo, can you go find coal or something while I'm distracting the deer? I'm distracting the deer near the watchtower. Go find some sort of a coal. This is so stupid. Those watchtowers are such cheats because really, this thing can do nothing when you're in one of those watchtowers. Jesus, it's so freaking angry. It is insane. Can you put in some coal while I'm distracting it? Oh great, it's gone now. God damn it. Alright, I saw some coal over here. Nope, no coal. Damn it. Now it's all about finding coal. If it used to be about finding freaking logs and trees, now it's all about finding just regular coal. Chairs, not bad. Don't mind if I do. Okay, medkit. I found so many medkits, you have no idea. Alright, more coal. God damn it, I'm hungry. Where the fuck are the grapes? They should be around here somewhere, right? Oh, here they are. Okay, I need to also kill some rabbits for their stupid meat. God damn it. I was really scared about the coal situation right there. Okay, I brought in some coal. Hold on. Here. 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 Alright, now we do need to finish the goddamn wall because without the wall, what is even the point? Jesus Christ, did you see the amount of logs I got from this one single chop? Oh god. The night is approaching. Young is the night. Okay, we have... I think we're gonna be done with the log wall very soon. Yeah, see, we almost covered the whole freaking side now. It's only a question of time until we cover the whole thing, the whole area. Dark is the night. Dark is the night. Dark is the night. Dude, we're going to survive it, I'm pretty sure. Like, how are we not going to survive if we have such a massive wall? I'm pretty sure that's just, at this point it's impossible not to survive it. I'm not that far away from finishing the goddamn wall. Alright. Now it's just I'm one log away from finishing it. Okay. You know what would be cool if we also figured out a way to make food inside of our camp so that we don't ever have to leave our camp. That would be cool. That would be kind of cool, not gonna lie. I'm sure there is a way to do this, like using seeds and such, but I'm not really sure how it's done properly. Dude, we really need coal. I'm not gonna lie, really need coal. Our ass is gonna shrink so fucking much if that thing ever enters our camp again. Well, I'm gonna use the spare trees just to warm the campfire because I really do not imagine how we can survive without the campfire this night. Our campfire is really low. That said, our log wall is complete now. Can you imagine? We have a freaking log wall now. Dark is the night. By the way, don't forget to plant saplings not far from our base. Because saplings is what allows us to, you know. Okay, let's take a look. What do we need to build next? Now that we have good defenses, we could also place some bear traps. So that even if someone does enter it... Oh shit, well yeah, that was actually very... that was actually very expected. Oh shit. By the way, here is the med kit. If you ever need one, two, two, two. Okay, so I think what we need to do next is create crafting bench 3 or something like compass. Yeah, I think compass wouldn't be bad. No, we need a map, right? We really need a map. So let me put a map now. Hold on. Okay. So far, we know of the location of... Ah, shit. Oh, good thing we did not run out of fire. It's a good thing we did not run out of fire. We're no longer safe, dude. We gotta collect coal or something. Alright, now that my job is done, I can actually concentrate on other stuff. I can actually start looting for myself. Jeez, can you imagine I spent the whole game just building the goddamn log wall? Like an idiot. Diamond. Does a diamond better fucking amount to something? Now the master looter is here. I'm the master looter. I loot things. Like a pro. Ah, god damn it. Oh, I found a rifle. Not bad. I can probably go rescue that kid now. And a leather body. Huh. Not bad. I can go and rescue that kid now. God damn it. Let's see, how many coals did I collect? Not that many, actually. Yo, you have no idea how lucky we are, dude. We have like 2 kids in a row at the same place, almost. Okay, great. Now I need to put the kid in the sack. Jesus Christ. I wish, you know, rescuing kids did not look that controversial. I mean, yeah, they even make some sort of a weird gagging sound when you put them in a sack. This is so stupid. They should not be doing this sound. It makes me feel uncomfortable. I'm bringing in the kid. Apparently rifles can one-shot wolves if you shoot them in the face. Which is absolutely great. Okay. Steak. Steak. Alright, it's time we tested our fucking system, right? Let's see just how good our system is. Great. Great. Look at this. This freaking tent goes all the way through the freaking, you know, through the log wall we built. Coal. Here comes even more coal. Yeah, yeah, just bring it on, you bitches. We're not scared of you. How many... Ah, shit, I don't have that much ammo in my rifles. Ah, fuck. Yo, if we stand right here, I don't think we should be hurt. I should create more freaking, you know, bear traps. I know. I'm gonna create bear traps like here. They're gonna guard the exit to the left and right. Okay, so one goes here, another goes here, another goes here, another goes here, and of course another goes here. Alright, now every time we exit we will be bitten by a freaking, you know, by a freaking bear trap. But don't worry about this, because if you think about this, it's not that bad really. We will be hit by one of the bear traps, but we'll be able to set them back on. Or we can just jump over them. That also works, I guess. Okay, now I need to find more rifle ammos and go rescue a second kid. Then we need to craft another bed and start crafting biofuel and such, because we will be running out of fuel very soon. Right, you fucker. Right. Ah, shit, both of them got provoked. Fuck. Fuck off, wolf. Fuck off, dude. Fuck off, dude. Yeah, that's right. You scared of me, you fucker? What, scared of me? Piece of shit. Right. Now, I also got a pelt. I got a pelt from that wolf. Not bad, but now I don't really have ammo anymore. I don't really know how I'm gonna kill the rest of the wolves with no ammo. It's freaking dangerous to engage them in a close quarter combat. Yo, we need to create ammunition ASAP, because ammunition, I think, is the only way we can... Shit, I'm hungry. Oh, this is stupid, this is moronic. What do we have here? Okay, fuel canister, not that bad. Alright, alright. The campfire is almost out? Ah, shit. Hold on, I'm coming in. Huh. Yo, I brought in some of that fuel canister stuff. We're safe for now, but please, if you have coal, I'm begging you, do create some coal. Bring in the coal. In the meantime, revive? You died? How? Oh god. I'm gonna sit in the watchtower until the... Yep, the campfire is almost out. Well, the fire has gone out, we're no longer safe. Yeah, but I'm safe in the stupid watchtower. No, really, those watchtowers are like second save points. You don't even have to fuel your campfire. Wait, how the fuck did you die? This is weird. How the hell did you die, dude? How the hell did you die, man? We need to upgrade our bench. We need to upgrade our crafting bench, and then we need to create biofuel generator. Since all of the trees we have can actually contribute to the fuel. And we may never run out of fuel that way. Okay, great. I think it's gone now. Wow, it just disappeared, huh? Okay, we really need a biofuel generator or something. I will take this medkit and I will go rescue now. God damn it, how the fuck did you die, dude? Oh shit, I don't have ammo. We really need to create some form of... What? Dude, what the fuck are you doing there? Come on, man, you know how dangerous those places are. Why did you go in there? How am I supposed to revive you if you're in the middle of a room of enemies? Jesus Christ. Come on. Why did you go there, dude? This is so bad. This is so bad, dude. I have no clue what I'm gonna do now. I really have no clue how to help you now. This is insane. Of all the places, you chose the worst one to die in. God damn it, man. Gandalf, what the fuck, dude? What in the actual fuck? Dude, how the hell am I supposed to clean that mess up there? Sapling. Cooked meat. God damn it. You know what? I have a plan. I have a plan. Shit. God damn it. This is the stupidest game I've ever had here. God damn it. I have no clue what to do now. Shit. The night is approaching. Oh yeah, god damn it. The night is approaching. I'm gonna go to the watchtower. I have no other... What, you left? Gotta get going? Alright, see you around, Gandalf. Well, I guess I'll be going now too. I don't have much left for me in this game. Ugh, god damn it. Alright, how long have I been streaming now? 2.5 hours? Yeah, I think in like 30 minutes I'll finish streaming. Because I'm really, you know, there's so much that needs fixing. I don't really think oh god. This game is stupid. This game is so stupid. I'm hungry now. You know what? I think I'm gonna finish the stream now. I don't think there will be anyone joining the stream, so there isn't really much use keeping it around, but I will play a little bit more. Who knows? Maybe someone will come by and say hi. I need to be out there for those people, right? Okay, what the hell do we need to create a biofuel craft? whatever. Alright, so for biofuel we need 12 metal and 12. Okay, it's not gonna be that hard actually. We just need 12 different metal scraps and 12 different. Damn it. God damn it. A blizzard has started? Shit. It's a shame you cannot really exchange those flashlights for scraps of metal. Would have introduced hell of a variation to the game. Well, not that much, but it still should be an option. I mean, flashlights are made of metal. If you can melt down a nail into scrap of metal that you can use for craft, then you should be able to. Where's your campfire? Yeah, I don't really care. Couldn't care less, really. This is the most broken run ever, I think. What the hell are they doing there? Oh, are they trying to hurt a kid? Damn it, they killed the kid. I didn't know they could do that. Jesus. This is brutal. This is insane. Hurting a kid like that, this is insane. This is insane, Jesus. I'm surprised Roblox even allows people to show children getting hurt in their games. Great. Alright, let's go. crate. God damn it. Well, this is it for this stupid game. Spent so much time building this stuff. Jesus. Yeah, alright. Okay. What I want to also do was fix this goddamn mess called my scaling program. Why does it shift sideways? I don't understand. This is the part that I don't understand. Okay, let's do it this way. Let's also make it reflect new scale. That should do it, right? Let's make it reflect new scale so that ChatGPT understands why it shifts so much. Okay. Should work. Okay, yeah. New scale, new scale. What the hell is it? Does it reveal anything about the problem? Your rows are changing every frame during the zoom, which means the pivot point thing is the center of the wrapper, sliding as the zoom happens. Before the zoom in. Your computing is not fixed. It changes slightly each zoom step because the field is moving as you rescale. Huh. Really? No, that's I don't think that's the case. Or what? Ah, god damn it. One kind of wearing a mask. No, I don't understand how heroes can wear a mask and not have a runny nose. As true center with no drift, you need to calculate the pivot position once before the scaling starts. Alt pivot left before scaling starts. Then use pivot left, pivot top in your formula. What? But isn't my function arranged right in terms of chronology of commands? Calculating before scaling, which is correct. The problem is what you're using as or the visual center of the wrapper and field space, wrapper center offset and wrapper coordinates, accounting for the fact that the field has been scaled. If each step explore offset is bigger or smaller due to zoom, your formula changes because changes while keeping your variables. hold width. God damn it. Okay, let's test it then. I have no clue if it's gonna work or not, but let's test it. Let's test it. Hold left is not defined. So we do need old left, right? I don't understand what it is that it does differently. Okay. Wait a second. No. Still does it. Still does it. Still does it. Motherfucker. They're also not subtly wrong because they're mixing wrap-centric coordinates with field-centric coordinates. Right now, wrapper meaning if old left is positive, the field to keep all variables. If commands, you just need to convert wrapper-centric field space correctly. Left plus old width, old left. Central position to field coordinates. What? How is this? Or scaling. How is this different? How is this different from what I do? I don't think it's gonna change anything, but let's see. Nope, still happens, still's happening. Not going anywhere for some reason. God damn it. Why does it happen? Still happening. Know what the interesting thing is? It shifts in the direction where the coordinates are displaced to relative from the center. of the explore field. There the cons displaced from the sun means your form isn't truly zooming around the wrapper center. Zooming around the point that's offset by the current pan. It's stored as logical positions where left of the field. Need the wrapper center expressed in unscaled field coordinate. Now you're mixing scaled coordinates with unscaled, also the pivot point is wrong. Drift. Play the wrapper center into field's internal coordinate system. And scale. Alright, let's do it. Let's do it the way it wants us to do it. This is stupid. What? Wait, what? Why would... Huh? Okay, but why did it keep old width and old height if it doesn't even make use of them? Okay, but the problem is now it just shifts to... This is so stupid. First translate the wrapper center into field's internal coordinate system, undoing the pan. Fail. Although it doesn't shift before zoom, now zooms in on some point of the field below it. Can you do it like with my structural approach without introducing new variables? Comparing wrapped center coordinates to scaled field coordinates. I'm pretty sure it's still gonna... Why did you ignore the first part of my problem? No, I said Jesus, never ignore my full detailed description. too, especially your son. Scaled pixels. Where the hell was the old width? I hate programming. I hate front-end programming. This stuff is unreal. It's insufferable. Forget your previous solutions and start it over. Zoom pivot is wrong. Focus on point below the actual. No, I reverted back to my original code where my would slightly shift in the direction of displacement from the center after a certain value of zoom. I've said left, stuck in my home. I say stuck in my heart. This change a bit stupid. ChatGPT, why are you so stupid? Why are you so stupid? So they're in field's original coordinate space. The field centroid width. Bruh. Bruh, this is insane. Shifts, I say fast down in my heart. Why the what? Why? Old width? Alright, let's just multiply this by 2 and multiply this by... I have no idea what those values even are. Why the fuck would they even make sense at this point? Jesus Christ. This is so stupid. This is so insane. This is so insane. Oh god. No. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. What did I do to deserve this torture? Dun, 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 dun. But haven't I tried this before. Look up my previous texts. Divide part of the math by old scale. You are still using offset with it's already scaled form without normalizing. Your code zooms in only and only on the center of the field. No, actually, I never actually. Just give me the fucking code, dude. God damn it, this is so stupid. Why? Why does it do that? This is insane. This is insane. This is insane. This is insane. What if we change them places? Let's see whether or not anything changes actually. Down in my house. Nope, nothing does, nothing changes. Old top, old scale, new scale. Explore field, offset width, offset height. Maybe there's a better. There's a better one. But it works so goddamn well. It really makes no sense. Makes my blood fucking boil. Explore functions. Offset. Export mini field width. It's all the offset lefts. That's all the offsets faults. Why? Why does it keep happening? New scale. Old scale. What would make it to change? What is going to be the difference? I just wonder. Maybe it changes all we need? No. It's gotta be input. It's gotta be fucking input, man. Offset field wrapper. How to get DOMs rendered with chaos. With bounding client React. Bounding rendered width. Okay, let's do it this way then. Alright, export field dimensions. Good. Word. Width. Height. Width, height. Alright, so width. Now here we gotta do height. Height. Okay. I think problem might be that the offset width and height for the Explorer wrapper might not be the best way to calculate it, because it doesn't really have very stable offsets, since it's not. Alright, yeah, that's what I thought. What if we remove the scale? Let's see. Let's see. Nope. Nope. Doesn't work. Doesn't work. Alt left, alt top. At some point it should absolutely work, but it doesn't. It absolutely doesn't. And it's making me go insane. Alt left. It does need to be divided by offset, by alt scale, but alright, what if we just okay, what if we just okay, it does work. It is stable, right? Yeah, it is stable. Okay, what if we actually took this like 1,600? I just want to see what it's gonna do to it. When is it going to scale? So, yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. Alt scale messes it up for some reason. Okay, movement functions, new scale. What the fuck is going on with the new scale? if scale, max zoom value. Zoom scale. This is honestly such a bullshit. Max zoom, explore field zoom controller. Alright, yeah, I don't think I will be able to fix this problem on the stream. I mean, stream has the property of distracting me from actually fixing the problems in record time, so, you know, and besides, it's been 3 hours, and I gotta actually go eat and then go to bed. Well, still, thank you very much for coming today, Gandalf. I wish I could. Oh, and Safe too, even if for a brief time. I wish I could thank more people, but you know, it's not that many people around here anymore. Now, I gotta go until the